Hello mga kabebe! Well, I'm back. It's New Life in Japan and today we're going to Kobe!
Hello!
And this is it na nga po mga kabebe. We're here in Kobe and this is my first time to go here in Kobe. That's why I'm really excited to share it to all of you guys. How beautiful here in Kobe. You know what guys? Here in Kobe also have the biggest earthquake when 1995. It's January 17, 1995 when the big earthquake comes here in Kobe. And eventually, naka-recover sila agad. They're fast recovery and makikita niyo naman talaga kung gaano kaganda ang Kobe ngayon. And today nga po, because Daddy is a half Brazilian gene, so that's why he want us to taste the Brazilian food. So this is it na nga po mga kabebe. We gonna taste the Brazilian food and this is my first time. Not only me, Ate Gia wearing a black and then Toby Kung wearing a white shirt. They three of us is the first time also to come here in Kobe and to eat Brazilian food. That's why we're so excited. What's the taste of this Brazilian food? And this is a famous also here in Kobe because there's a lot of Japanese also eating here. And this is it na nga po mga kabebe. It's almost 5,000 yen if you take a tabihodai and also nomihodai. So, mga kabebe, after here in the Brazilian Mise, we're going to ride on the boat. This boat, we're gonna go inside, but before that, you have to buy a ticket for only 1,000 byakuyen only. It's just almost 45 minutes, mga kabebe. So, it's gonna be... Bye! Bye! And mga kabebe, I'm so very happy to be with them here in Kobe. And Tita and Daddy was so very kind. Because sinamahan nila kami na makapasyal nga po dito sa Kobe. Even though sawang-sawa na sila dito sa Kobe. Pero talagang naman pinaglaanan kami ng oras para po masamahan kami dito sa Kobe. And Daddy and Tita was so very kind. And it's nice to be with Ate Gia and Tovi here in Kobe. They have a good vibes. So that's why a long day we mecha shikata. And look at this beautiful view. Not me. The beautiful nature here in Kobe. You know what guys? I'm in love with the nature. So, ayun na nga po. And then, after dito sa boat, we decided to go that place, that hotel. Ano ba yan? I don't know. Ano ba yung pangalan ng hotel na yan? Basta, mukha kasi siyang parang nasa Saudi yung style niyang ganyan. So, yun na nga po. Kahit dito, napatikto kami ni Ate Gia. And of this is the police speaking. We're here inside the hotel mga kabebe. So gusto nga po talaga ni Tita na ma-experience namin kung ano bang meron dito sa loob. And after nga po nito, we're going back to Kyoto na. We're going home na nga po mga kabebe. Parang nasa Makati lang ako mga kabebe. It's when I saw this bridge, I feel that like I'm in the Philippines. And when I saw this South Mall, I remember the SM South Mall because before I worked at the SM South Mall as a beauty consultant in Ever Belena. So shout out Ever Belena. So we're here in Kyoto nga po mga kabebe to meet our new friends. They're all Japanese at kami nga lang po talaga yung Pilipino. Oh, hindi po ako Japanese. I'm a Philippine gene, pure. Not pure because I have my lola is a Hawaiian gene. My grandmother is a Hawaiian gene. So, this is it na nga po. Yung Sacho, in-invite po kami dito sa kanyang omise.
And then put some veggies. Ilagay sa kapalan mo habang nilalagyan mo ng ano. Yan. Yan. Yes, I. Itadakimasu. Hayaku kay.
Ito na, yawarakay.
Yawarakay na.
Ay, lagyan mo pala chicken eh.
Chicken.
Chicken.
Lagyan mo na chicken.
Rito, ano ka na?
100,000.
Ako nasusuwa, oishi oh. Oishi.
Okay? Thank you. Tapos, gagawin. Maite. Ganyan. Malalambutan niya.
And then,
Ganyan.
Nihongo siya tayo?
Itak siya.
Onigiri. Ato, kande. Ay, kande.
Plastic ya.
もうちょっと水入れます。もうちょっと水入れます。
shower! Free shower!
私ビデオ撮るからわからない。どこの辺ビデオ撮る。Hindi ko kasi makita dahil dito ko nanonood sa video.
よく言うよ、何も食べてないから。
ビデオです。
おいしいおいしい。
美味しい
幸
よ。
せ。
ありがとうございます。美味しかったよ。今度私作る。これも同じよ。あ、これだけ大丈夫よ。
いや、南向きやし。
今度私も。I'll try this. なあ、でもこのソースを一番美味しいよ。これわからないなのソース。
Thousand Islands.
Thousand Islands.
折り切り。
Thousand Islands. Aha. Ano yung pagkain? Emergency! Bye-bye!